Now they change it. They change my face into something like this. Hello, I'm Yageth. I am doing a film about the snowstorm in USA for 90 days. I was making a video earlier, but it got muted, and I don't know what's the problem to it. I didn't check, and because yesterday I was making a video too, but it come out good. And today I'm making a video, very important video, but somehow how do you call that one? It got muted. There's no sounds to it. So I will make a new one, and like I said, this is Yageth filming about the snowstorm for next month. That was 90 days. So December, January, February, March 2026. They said it will coming next month, but I hope, and we will need to pray. We need to pray that I hope it won't come. But if it will come, we need to be prepared ourselves. Because the generator, I mean electricity. They said the electricity will be off because of the snow, and also we need to buy those who don't have no generator. You need to buy generator, and if you got fireplace, good. You need to have a lot of firewoods and have medicines, clothing, warm clothing. I know when I say there's a lot of people don't like me, don't like my show, don't like my channel, don't like me at all. Some of them, they think they are higher than me or richer than me. I didn't brag that I was rich because I don't have no money much, but I have this to keep going, and I'll just try to help myself, to help people too if I can. No force to it. I don't like doing a helping thing, and I being insulted by the people surrounded me who don't like me. I don't like that. I don't appreciate. I know I don't appreciate to everything I do. When I do something, other got credited to it, and I'm sick and tired doing so. I'm sick and tired that all my hard work was rejected and some other people got credited to it. Some insane royalties claiming that she is me or I'm here, something like that. It never happened. I never see myself to her. That's why it's so sickening. Someone tried to manipulate the situation in this world, and some people, they believe it because why? Because they got money, and I got almost nothing. But I'm proud to say it. I'm being honest. Honest to the bones. I don't want to be ousted in everything I do, especially to my channels, and giving it to another people. There is a guy, I've been thinking about what's happening to my channel, that there's no views every time. There's a woman, I was walking at Hartford and close to McDonald's because I was moving and there's no internet up there, so I go find another internet access. So I was at McDonald's. Crossing to it, I saw a woman like 35 years old, and she said, I want your channel to be no views. I said, and I told her, what she's doing, what she's talking about. Yeah, I said, what's she's thinking, what she's doing, what she's talking about. And now I know what she's talking about because my views and my video close to nothing. But it's okay. 1 is good, 0 is nothing. Because I watch my videos, so it should be counted as 1 at least. You see? Anyway, back to the snowstorm in USA. It never happened before, but they said it's coming. I don't know if this is a punishment, but I know it's not good. Imagine if we don't have, here in USA, we don't have no electricity for 90 days. And it's no storm. That's bad. It can kill a lot of people. If the electricity will gone off, and there's no generator, there's no fireplace, there's a lot of people can die to it. That's why I make a video to make a people aware to it. Those whoever watch this video, good, this is for you. And those who doesn't, they can watch in television. I don't force people to watch my videos. I don't. You watch it if you like it. If you like me, watch it. If you love me, share it in the comments that you love me. Share the emoji to it. Or likes me. Love me as a friend, love me as a human, or likes me as a friend, likes me as a human being. I know there's a lot of people don't like me because they compare me to another socialist people. I don't compare myself to them because I know I'm nothing compared to them. I say that for myself. I don't compare myself to any other people, nor to lower than me or nor higher than me. I'm just trying to make the best of me in my life. I hope you all understand it. When I make a videos, I don't brag. I try to have a solution to every problem we have, to contribute to it. Because during COVID, the World Health Organization sent me a message that they said, help the people not to die. True story. That's what World Health Organization sent to my email. Help the people not to die during COVID. And I do my very best. I send online what I used to be safe during that time. So I don't brag. I don't brag what I do, but I do my best. But yet I'm being rejected over and over. But they're not important to me. I'm talking to my viewers, to the people who want to watch my videos. I hope you watch my videos, support me through watching it. I don't ask anything from you, audience, but to watch it. That's all. And I hope and I know watching it, it's helping me to support me as a videographer, as a channel owner. And I have a dance. Chewing gum. Yeah, chewing gum. Yeah. Choo 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 choo. That's it.